Hello and welcome to another episode. In this episode, we will look at how to use the panoramic photo mode for your Sony ZV-1 camera. To begin, press the Mode button on the top of the ZV-1 camera and select Sweep Panorama. Once selected, press the Menu button, and on the first page, the panorama options are now selectable. Scroll down and first select Panorama Size. The two options are Wide, which will offer a wider angle for the finished panoramic image, or Standard, which will be a narrower angle for the panoramic image. The second menu option is Panorama Direction. The ZV-1 supports panoramic photography from either down, up, left or right for greater capturing flexibility. The Panorama Direction can also be changed by scrolling the wheel button on the back of the ZV-1 when in standby. That is how to use Panorama mode for your Sony ZV-1 camera. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one.